Hello everyone. So in this video we'll start with the multiplication with 9 series in 2 digits. Okay. So for that let's start with the example. We can understand it better with examples only. 99 into 25. Okay. Now I told you in my first series then whenever we are solving with the Vedic maths we only have to look for the lower digit. Okay, so we have to only do experiment with the lower digit, that is 25. Now this is our first block and this is our second block. Fine. Okay, now what we have to do is the next step is subtract the lower digit by 100. Okay, 100 minus 25. Fine. And this side and the first block you have to subtract 1 from the lower digit. Okay, 25 minus 1 and 100 minus 25. Okay, so what will be our the next step? What will be our next step is to subtract it. 25 minus 1 is 24. And now how you will subtract from 25? You will think that it is a bigger digit to subtract, it will take time and all. Nothing, just see here, just follow me. Okay, see, instead of here taking 9, consider it as 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and here 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, so your answer will be 2475 is your answer. And now how I did this, why I took here 10. See, suppose we have to do 100 minus 25, right? So what we do in normal mathematics, it is just a normal mathematics thing. See, this is 0, we take here, we carry forward 1 here, so it becomes 10, right? So 10 minus 5 is 5 and here it becomes 9, so 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is your answer. The same concept I've applied here. Okay, instead of making the blocks and doing like this here in the side, I told you directly what you have to do. When you are subtracting from 100, consider it as 10 and 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 2 is 7. So this will be your answer. Okay, let's move forward and see one more question so that you can understand it better. Fine. The next question is 99 into 36. Fine. What you have to do is to make a 2 block. I'm making you understand by making blocks so that you can understand it better. But when you are practicing, try to solve everything from the mind. Okay, I'll tell you that also. So see, firstly we can write 36 minus 1 over here and here 100 minus 36. Now do it from the mind trick. Okay, do it from your mind. 36 minus 1, 35, and here what you have to do is 9 minus 6. No, here we have to take 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So 3564 is your answer. Okay, moving on to the third question. I'll tell you how to do this with mind also, and this question you have to do by yourself. I'll wait for 5 seconds for all of you to solve and then we'll check the answers. Is it correct or not? Fine. So okay, I'm waiting for you all. Just do it. Yeah, I think all you have did. So fine, what we have to do, just think from the mind instead of writing. You can write it directly without any calculation. You can write it directly. 32 minus 1 is 31. 9 here 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 9 minus 3 is 6. So 3168 is your final answer. Okay, one more question. I'll tell you how to do this with mind trick. 99 into 87. Fine. Now how you can do this with mind, just in a second you can solve this question. 8, 6, 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 8 is 1. This is your answer. I hope you understand. Any doubt and query you can leave in the comment section and solve the worksheet. There is a times tab. You have to write down the time and putting the timer. Hope you like the series. Put the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming series. Thank you.